the Slunts Adjustable Magnetic Resistance Stationary Bike. This one caught my eye because of its high weight capacity, magnetic resistance, and app compatibility. Let's see how it stacks up. Starting with what stands out, the bike has a maximum capacity of about 350 pounds, which is excellent for many users who want sturdiness and stability. The frame is thickened aluminum or steel, heavy duty, and there are non-slip feet pads for stability. You also get a 35 pounds flywheel, which helps in making the ride feel smooth and giving momentum, especially when you increase resistance. Resistance is magnetic, which is good for quiet operation. This model boasts very low noise, reportedly around 25 dB in some descriptions, which makes it suitable for apartment usage or early morning workouts. Control over resistance is very precise thanks to a 100-level micro-adjustment knob, so if you want to finely tune your effort, this helps. Comfort features: the seat is soft with high rebound cushioning. The seat is 4-way adjustable, height plus 4 aft, etc. Handlebars also adjustable in 2 directions. The bike comes with LCD display that shows standard metrics: speed, time, distance, calories, etc., plus a tablet, a phone holder, and water bottle holder, all useful for longer sessions. On potential drawbacks, being a sturdier feature-rich bike, assembly might take more time. Some users might find the bike bulky. Also, even magnetic resistance systems can generate a slight hum at high resistance. Nothing major but noticeable. The cost is likely higher than basic models, so budget constraints could matter. Regarding feedback and rating, I saw one listing with a 5-star from a user praising build quality, quietness, and stability. But as always, your mileage may vary depending on shipping, actual assembly, and personal height comfort. Overall, this Slunts model is well suited if you want durability, weight capacity, everything adjustable, and a quiet, precise ride. If all you need is something simple, lighter, or lower cost, there might be trade-offs, but for frequent use, this looks like a strong pick. As always, check the buy link in the description box if you're interested. If you want, I can also compare this Slunts with the YOSUDA one I reviewed earlier. Thanks for tuning in.